Hi, today I'm going to show you how to improve your languages with using free software. I'm not talking about just English. There are so many languages like Spanish, Turkish, and others. You can also use to introduce you as a freelancer for earning. For example, if I create uh, WordPress websites, I will write here WordPress. First of all, its name is Free4Talk, and we use it to communicate with different people, to share your ideas. You can also use it to promote your videos. So here I'm logged in, I create group, I write here WordPress. That's how many people do you want to invite in your group. I choose few people's language, any language you can. I select English level, intermediate, beginner, create. Now click here to join group. Now click again. You can select here YouTube, screen share, whiteboard. Also, you to voice cancellation is tips, and so if you want to hire a person, you can also write here like we are hiring, and right here we are hiring, or I need a person, or uh, if you want to work as a freelancer, you can write here like I'm a teacher, or you will also write here I need work, and you you also write here your expertise. So I think this is a great software, and it's totally free. If you want to communicate with your friend, like my friend, I want to communicate, I just send him a WhatsApp and tell him please communi- communicate with me on Free4Talk. You can schedule your time with him. I will share this link in description. So, and here you select if you want to learn Spanish, you want to learn English, you can choose any language. You can choose any language. You can, if you want to teach anyone, you can also create a group here. So that's it. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, share.